In this video, we will show you how to replace your front fog lamp assemblies on this Mercury Grand Marquis between the year ranges of 2003 and 2011. The fog lamp assemblies will be located in your front bumper cover. Let's get into it. Let's start by making our way safely underneath the front of the vehicle to where the fog lamp assemblies would be located. Now you can fairly easily get to everything underneath here without removing this plastic panel. But to gain access to it, so we have a little bit more room and view, we're going to go ahead and remove these two 8mm headed bolts. Once we get those out, you should also have a push pin that holds this together as well. Ours is broken, so I'll just go ahead and remove these two 8mm headed bolts and slide this out of position. With those out of the way, we'll continue on to this one right here. Now we can pivot this out of the way. The next thing that you would want to do would be to remove the wiring harness from this area. Carefully get underneath the clip with a small screwdriver and gently pull this down. Every time you disconnect an electrical connector, just take a peek. If you see any funny colors, it's corrosion, and that would need to be dealt with. Ours looks fine, I'll set it aside. Now we can start dismounting the fog lamp assembly from the bumper cover itself. For this, you'll find that you have two Phillips head screws, one on either side. Remove the pair, and then the lamp assembly from the bumper cover. Grab onto that lamp assembly, give it a little wiggle, and remove it from the vehicle. Okay friends, let's get ready to mount our fog lamp assembly. We'll carefully put this into place. While we slide it behind the bumper there, up against the bumper cover, you're trying to align both of the screw holes at the same time. There we go. Once it's aligned, continue on by starting in both of your mounting bolts and snug them up. Once you have it mounted in, continue on with your electrical connector. We'll press that into place. Now, while we have this apart, I want you to pay attention to this area right here. This is the adjustment for the alignment of the beam. If you were to come down from underneath the bumper cover, you can get right into this area and make your adjustment, raising or lowering the beam as needed. We'll continue on by putting our bolts into place, start each of them in, and then snug them up. If you can, put in your push clip. Okay, we've got this back together. The process will be the exact same thing for the other side of the vehicle. Once you have everything installed, go ahead and slide out, put the key in the on position, and test the fog lamp functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.